What is the secret to affiliate marketing in 2021? Do you want to learn to make money online? Do you want to know the secret to affiliate marketing? You need a side hustle that pays $10,000 a month. You need to make money passively while you sleep. And affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online. So what is affiliate marketing? It's promoting other people's products for a commission. And what is the secret, you ask? First, you need to build an audience in a niche. Do you have a social media audience? You need to find out what the big problem is, what obstacle they need to overcome. Audience, problem, solution. Provide that solution with an affiliate product that solves the problem. Audience, problem, solution. That is the secret. So what is a niche? A niche is an audience you can market to, and every niche has its problems. As an affiliate marketer, it's your job to identify problems and provide solutions. If you want to learn more and become a successful affiliate marketer, subscribe to the channel.